Hello everyone, I'm Joe Bishop back with Parabellum. Today I'm here with my PCP gun. It's a 22 caliber Amarillo Phenoma, and this is how I get air into my air chamber. I pump it up about 2,000 psi. Reach down here, let the air out. Pull this end out like so. Dirty. Close that off. Like I said, there's the name right there, Amarillo Phenoma, 22 caliber. This is my air supply. I pump it up with that pump. That pump will make you strong. This thing here, screw it off. What's it for? A suppressor. You can suppress the air gun, believe it or not. It's quiet as it is, but it'll be super quiet. I got some these pellets are roughly, I'll say on here, I'm pretty sure they're like 17 grain or 17.1 grain pellets. I call this my Obama gun. I bought it when Obama got in the office the first time because I wasn't sure what they're going to do with the weapons and stuff. So you had to kind of have an alternative means. I'm going to be shooting from this post right here. My camera girl back up a little bit. I've got a bottle that she'll show it to you. It's down there on that target. It's full of red water. It's got water, it's got food coloring in it. It's got a piece of white tape with a blue X on it. Roughly 72 yards here. Take my first shot of 5. It's going to be 5 shots. I got to wait on the wind. Wind's blowing a little bit, which ain't bad, but on the back side of the house, you can't really tell it. It ain't doing it right now, but that crosswind on the back side of the house will actually affect this round. But I'm going to go ahead and take a shot. There we go. A dead squirrel. I shoot both eyes open. That helps me watch my wind and stuff. Matter of fact, my camera girl will come around here, get in a safe spot right here, right over on the side. And she's gonna videotape me shooting eyes open. On target. I'm going to have to hit it a little bit lower now to get that water drained out. You can go ahead and film the target, baby. Just back up just a hair. Not good now. This air rifle is a good small game getter. Like I said, I got about 68 full powered shots. If I go to the woods, I'm just trying to take small game. I don't do a lot of plinking around like I like to do. I can hunt all day long on one pump up, because chances are I'm not going to kill 68 squirrels or 68 small game species, because that's a lot of cleaning that I have to do. But this is a really accurate gun. I wanted the Benjamin Marauder because it's actually a repeater, and they were sold out at the time. So I went with this one, and I'm kind of glad I did, because I saved a bunch of money on it. I'm going to shoot the bottom of the bottle, that way I can leak all the red food coloring out of it. There we go. There's not a big report on this gun. It may sound loud right up here at close, but people around the neighborhood don't even know what I'm doing. Just underneath it. Get back in there. There we go, that's on. I'm going to shoot one more shot. My daughter come back around here behind me. Get right underneath my shoulder. That's in there. Shooting to where the water ain't. So I'm gonna go ahead and look at my rifle. I lock my bolt open. That way my safety comes out and nothing in it. And I'm gonna go check my target. Alright, went and got my target. All riddled full of holes, going all over the place. No pellets stayed inside. I ain't shot this gun in a while. Just broke it back out of the closet. Got to thinking about some stuff going on in the world, like what you could use. I just want to tell you that air rifles have come a long way, and believe it or not, Lewis and Clark actually carried air rifles with them to take like antelopes and deer with it. I believe it was a 36 caliber air gun. So they had them back then. You can get a 177, 22 caliber, 25 caliber, 30 caliber, 357, 40, 45 caliber, 50 caliber air guns now. They can take buffaloes, and they do a lot of big game hunting with them. Check out Pyramid Air. They don't pay me anything to say check them out. I'm just telling you check them out because they have a lot of cool stuff on there. If you buy pellets or stuff from them, it's like buy two get one free, so you kind of get a deal out of it. I've got a scope on here, but I also have open sights. I done a video the other day about shooting open sights. I can shoot this gun just as good open sights. Well, maybe not as good as open sights as I can with a scope, but I can still hit that target from here in the kill zone. Check them out. Umarex has a PCP gun. I think you can get into it for about $200, a little over $200, which is, it's more expensive than a 22, but if you take care of it, it won't cost you as much to shoot, so you'll save on ammo. Because you can buy 200, 300 pellets for I think like $5 or $6. Or if you buy the same amount with 22, plus you have a loud report. So if you live in a place where you can shoot in your backyard like I can, it's worth investing in. This gun, I've taken crows out to 100+ yards with it. I have mil dots inside the scope, and I know at different yardages what it is. I still got to get back out here and shoot this one again. This is a center point scope. You can get them at Walmart. They're not very expensive, about 68 bucks, and they're a really good scope. I have these on a lot of my rifles that I have scopes on, and people are like, oh, it ain't it ain't this high dollar Swarovski scope or anything like that, but it don't have to be as long as it does what you need it to do. And I'm Joe Bishop, Backwood Parabellum. If you ain't practicing your skills when it comes time to use it, you won't have it.